There we go, it's recording.
What are you doing? We're trying to do biology here and I don't know what you're doing, camera. This is not with my face. Yeah.
Cactus?
Is that a real cactus?
Four noises off. I don't want that up my bum.
You like almost went up his nose.
That's going up my bum?
It's not real.
I got another one.
That's going up
Look who she goes to first, you know? What do you expect? Charlie.
Why do I know?
Charlie! You done yet? Not at all.
Can't have that money, Mary. Get it for me.
Yeah, Joey.
Go upstairs and give me the money.
Oh no! Stapler down! Stapler down!
She's zooming on. Alright, I get it. Who wants to be killed first? I do. Okay, wait.
Oh, I want to be killed.
Okay, Joey, be.
Joey be killed first.
Okay, you go first.
Wasting time.
Start off.
But how did you get here?
What page?
Did Karen drive you over? I walked most of the way, and then the lady gave me a ride, and Mary, you mean you left without permission? Why did you think I ran away, Grandma?
Because it's funny.
They didn't know.
That was a very bad thing to do, and don't be worried. Boom is right, so great. Y'all will be here to drive you back to dinner.
Please, Grandma, don't send me back right away. You don't know how they'll punish me. Stay over there.
I don't think they'll be angry. Come, like a foolish little girl.
Grandma, please, I can't go back. I can't. They'll kill me. They will, Grandma. They'll kill me. I had a pain in my heart. When I fainted writing class, they called Cousin Joe, and he said I didn't.
Joe said it wasn't serious. It wasn't serious.
But I did have a pain in my heart. Honest. And I was scared of Mr. Wright being so mean to me.
Yeah.